going to do a quick video, quick run through of our farmhouse. This was built by my grandpa and great-grandpa a long time ago. We're so blessed to still have it. I can still see Grandma over there cooking. Lots of good memories we had in this house. And still are.